Fall, my favorite time of the year. The leaves start changing colors, the wind gets brisk and chilly, and that certain smell hangs in the air. During the day, it's a beautiful, peaceful time of the year. But as the days get shorter and the sun goes down, the land becomes shrouded in a haunting atmosphere, never knowing what kind of ghoulish creatures can be watching you from the dark night. Of course, all of this culminates in the big climax, Halloween, a spectacular holiday that involves children and adults dressing up as their favorite monsters and going out looking for a good time, be it trick-or-treating, Halloween parties, or just staying at home watching horror movies. As many of you already know, this is my favorite time of the year, so I will be spending the entire month of October putting heavy metal aside and talking about Halloween. This year, I will be discussing horror movies, my favorite Halloween specials, ghost stories, traditions, and much, much more. So stick around. This is Blackmetalwerewolf's Haunting Halloween.